Today is the 1st of February and I'm taking a look at the Euro-US dollar on a monthly time frame using Serene Education's Forex Made Easy strategy. Here we can see that price is ranging below the 50 and the 200-day moving average. RSI is below 50. Our MACD histogram is slightly above the midline. However, our FOST and trigger lines are together and below the midline, indicating overall sentiment is still to the downside. What we have seen is that price has been trading along a support level. We had an indecisive spinning top in December. January's monthly candle was a nice bullish candle that closed back above that support level, and today being the first of the month, we're not getting much decision on what is happening at the moment. So let's drop down now onto a weekly. Here we've seen the last couple of weeks have been pulling back above that support level, but price is still below the 50 and the 200-day moving average. RSI is flat on 50, but our MACD histogram is now above the midline. We've had a MACD moving average crossover as we started to see that pullback. Those lines, however, still remain below the midline, as we can see that the overall sentiment of this pair is to the downside. You can see we are moving in a downward trend direction. So if price continued to move to the upside, we know that the 50-day moving average would be above price, and if we saw a pullback, we're more than likely going to see that at around that trend line which we've seen previously before. So let's drop now onto the daily. Here we've seen that the daily candle yesterday broke above that previous support and resistance level. It was a nice bullish candle, close higher. RSI is above 50. Our MACD histogram and FOST and trigger lines are above the midline. So the FME part of the strategy is set up. The only thing that we're not liking is the fact that the current daily candle is trading lower than yesterday's close. We're going to edit our resistance level down to the daily 200-day moving average, as that would act as our next major resistance level to price, and we'll drop down now onto the 4-hourly. 4-hourly, we saw that nice breakout above resistance. We've seen a pullback to test the top side. Is now using it as support. The current 4-hourly candle is starting to trade higher. RSI is above 50. Our MACD histogram and FOST and trigger lines are above the midline. Again, the strategy is still set up for looking for buying opportunities, and price is above the 50 and the 200-day moving average and nicely spread out. But what we've got now is an intraday swing high or a resistance level. So we've got an entry to target on this pair. We're looking for a nice bullish break higher, no matter what time frame you're trading from. A bullish break higher than 1.0807, around that level, and then we can target that next resistance level, which is the daily 200-day moving average.